Hey folks, how you doing? I just want to show you a couple gifts I have for my father, so let me just warn him first, right? Ocino, keď pozeráš, tak prestan pozerať a počkaj si na prekvapenie, keď prídeš sem, alright? So I just pretty much told him that if he's watching, just stop watching and wait for the surprise. Because I want to share this one with you guys before he even gets here, and also because I got the package from a friend that is intended for him. First, let me show you. Got pretty good deal from my friend Reno over in Canada for this Leatherman. I don't remember the name of this one. I think these are discontinued, and I actually bought my father a fixed version of this, kinda, with the similar things. It has a saw and a gut hook, like a nice hunting knife. That one was in 154, and it had I don't remember if I think it had the polymer handles, and he loves Leatherman. He's a big fan of Leatherman. Me too, but he's like really huge. He thinks it's like really great knives, especially those with the better steels like 154 cm. They do have a nice good quality steel on Leathermans. So I got this for a really good deal. Comes with a nice leather sheet, so that's gonna be waiting here for him. He's coming here this week, so really looking forward to it. Gonna be fun again. And I made him a knife, and he's a big fan of the fixed version of my friction folder, the original version. So I made him this. See, it's kind of like the same blade shape. This time I actually polished the handle because I wanted the colors to pop up, and I did the you could say Slovakian theme, but it also works for many states: white, blue, red. Just to have that theme of the national flag, and I think it came out sweet. Those colors are really popping, white liners, and the way I did it, I actually divided the colors with the jade, layers of jade. I don't think you can pick it up on the camera, but actually between the white and blue, and between blue and red, there is a layer of jade. It's I layered it myself, layered thin little liner material. Came out really sweet, it bonded well, and I polished it to get those colors popping, and I polished the blade too. Again, it's not perfect, I could show it on the camera that you don't even see it, but if you actually look, which way, can't really see it now. There, you see them there? Those are those scratch marks. I can't really get rid of them now. I learned a new trick I got a tip from a friend what to do in future, but now it's too late. I'm just gonna try my best always. But I did learn a new trick that instead of working with 40 grit, work with the 60 grit, and it's much easier because the 40 grit does really deep scratches, and they are hard to get rid of. So 60 grit will be the new starting grit. Feels great in the hand. I did those grooves like I do normally. They fill up the hand nicely. One thing I gotta be honest, I messed up when I was drilling the holes for the screws. Originally I was gonna only use this and the back, but I messed up, and as I drilled one side and I drilled the other scale, I drilled the holes completely wrong. So the only thing, without having to do the whole new set of scales, was to just drill all of them, and I decided to drill all of them. And you see how I used the tubes here, and this I left without the tubes, and I just rounded it to make it look nice, because the tubes are really not needed, and I thought it would look better if I just leave them those two holes bigger without the tubes, and it's came out pretty sweet. I'm sure he's gonna like it. He's not a big fan of the synthetic materials, but I just want to do something, kind of national. Didn't really do something like this before. I think it came out pretty neat. The blue is nice, the red is really nice too, and the white, I'm not a big fan of white color, but just to go with the theme, I ran with it. And let's see what he's gonna say. I think he's gonna like it. I polished it. I don't know if he's gonna like that. I don't think he's gonna make it a user knife. He has his hunting knife that he really loves, and I don't think who knows, maybe he will take it hunting. I don't know what he's gonna think about the grip on this. I'm really do not like Polish G10. It has absolutely no grip. Really no grip. So that's my recommendation to you guys. Stay away. If you want to use a knife, do not buy knives with the G10 handle and polished. You know, like as much as as much as everybody loves the Bark River, you know, all those nice handles with the G10, trust me, they're not good. They do not have no grip. They have no grip whatsoever. So thank you for watching, guys. Let me know what you think about this, and I'll let you know what my father thinks about it. One more thing I want to mention. I keep getting the messages, please guys, no more. I do not do Kydex. I do not do custom order knives. I made a video about it. I have it in the like FAQs on my channel page, but you know, a lot of people are new and they don't know and they don't read. So just want to let you know, guys. I cannot reply to all the people. No Kydex sheets, no custom order knives, nothing. You know, I just do whatever I can and when I can, and you see, sometimes I sell the stuff. So that's the only way to get something. Sorry to bother you again with it, but I just had to put it out there again to answer a lot of questions at once. Thank you for watching, guys. Take care, stay safe, and remember, don't cut yourself.